Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now in today's video, I have here a very exciting product because this is one of the most affordable wireless ANC earbuds that I've ever tested on the channel. So this is actually thanks to Baseus with its Bowie M1. In terms of pricing, it's going for approximately 100 ringgit or so. And of course, there's going to be a couple of discounts coming up. There's even a promo code down below so you can get this at an even cheaper price point. But if you are in the market looking for a very affordable wireless ANC earbuds, you might want to take note of this Baseus Bowie M1. Right, with that said, let's take a look at this very cute packaging. It's actually very small over here, and we do have a couple of key features laid out on the front of the box. Namely, we have our ANC, we also have Bluetooth 5.2, so this means that connectivity to the earbuds itself will be very stable and you can get to a further range. Last but not least, it also says here call noise reduction, so this is really all about having really clear kind of calls on the Bowie M1 itself. With that said, let's check out what actually came in the box. So we're going to unbox this real quick. Just cut this over here. We're going to be really fast right here, and there you go, totally unwrapped. Alright, so first things first, you do get some manuals in the box, which is actually very helpful because you are going to want to know how do you actually activate these earbuds there. So apart from that, I noticed that we do have something that looks like stickers on the inside as well. We're just going to remove this for now so we can see what kind of stickers we do get. And yep, there's a couple of cute lions in here, but yep, we're going to put that aside for now and check out the wireless earbuds themselves. You also get a Type-C cable in the box. That means that charging will be Type-C, it's not going to be micro USB or anything like that, and that's definitely good to see. But for now, let's actually check out what this thing looks like. So there is actually two colors for this. There is a black and there is also a white. So this is the black one here that looks really sleek. It is totally matte out here, so the materials feel very smooth to the touch. I do happen to have the white here as well, and we're just going to remove the earbuds to see how they differ in terms of their looks. This is how the black ones looks like. Again, I think it looks pretty sleek here, very compact and lightweight. So these are the ones for the black, whereas these ones here are going to be the ones for the white. Notice that the white one here, you can see it a little bit more transparent on the ear tips. Of course, you do get additional ear tips in the box as well if you want to have that perfect size for your ears. Right, so this is just in terms of the design and how they look like. In terms of the case, it does feel very firm as well. I particularly like this black version over the white because again, it looks very sleek here. You do get that Type-C port at the bottom, followed by a button if you need to reset the earbuds or anything like that. Alright, so I'm just going to put this in here for now. We're just going to put this away and we're going to focus on the white one because this is the one that I've been using. Actually, I have it connected to my phone already, and just so you know, there is actually an accompanying app for the Bowie M1. So once you actually connect your earbuds to the app itself, you'll be able to see a little bit more information here. For instance, you can see your battery life remaining. We have over 80% for the left and over 90% for the right. And also you can go into this particular ambient sound mode and actually tune the kind of sound that you want. You can go for your normal mode, you can go for your transparency mode, and you can go for your noise reduction mode. Again, very customizable here in the app itself. Now moving down, this is something that I personally like a lot. We do have EQ mode over here, which basically allows you to choose a single kind of preset that you want for the audio itself. So right now I've got mega bass going on, but if you want to hear a bit more audio in terms of the voice, you can go for clear, you can go for classical, jazz, fashion and all that. So there's a couple of options that you can actually choose from directly in the app. Of course, if this is not enough for you, you can also customize your own EQ. If you go into here and you can actually just add one more and click a name. Let's just try this out. We're just going to put it name as Lim. So you can actually pull and drag along this line here to actually get your own customized kind of sound effects based on what you prefer. So again, very useful application here with the Baseus Bowie M1. Alright, so other than that, I've actually connected the earbuds to the phone itself like I mentioned earlier on. So I've been listening to a couple of music and I found that the sound itself was actually quite good. One thing I noticed about these earbuds here is they do have in-ear detection. That means that when you put the earbuds into your ears, the music will start playing, and of course if you remove the earbuds from your ears, the music will stop playing. This is also a very neat feature, especially since these are actually very affordable, but we still get that really useful feature in there. Other than that, it's worth pointing out that you do control the earbuds by tapping on the side here. So you can either choose to just tap on it once, tap twice, or even tap 3 times, and you can customize each of those gestures in the app itself like I showed you earlier on. So again, everything here is very customizable for a wireless earbuds that costs just approximately 100 ringgit. Very good value there. Now in terms of how do they sound, yes, I did check out a couple of songs earlier on with the earbuds put in. The ANC works very well. I have to say that with these rubber tips here, they actually do block out a significant amount of noise, and with ANC activated, you know, according to Baseus, it can block out approximately 25 dB of noise. So I think that's also very helpful. I've definitely tested it out here in the studio as well as outside, you know, just walking along the streets. It will be good enough to block off any kind of environmental noise. In terms of the call noise reduction, I also tested it out with a couple of calls. I wouldn't say that these are the clearest kind of earbuds for your calls, but at a price point of just close to 100 ringgit or so, I think this is actually a very good, you know, earbuds that you can use for calling or answering your Zoom or Teams meetings. So again, pretty good stuff here coming from the Bowie M1. Last but not least, in terms of battery life, these guys here go for up to 4.5 hours, and together with the case, they actually provide up to 20 hours of battery life together. So again, you'll be enjoying a lot of music, a lot of calls. It is really subject to how you use your earbuds, but I would say that battery life for this affordable, you know, wireless earbuds is definitely great here on the Bowie M1. Alright guys, so that pretty much sums up our quick look at the Bowie M1 wireless earbuds. Again, let me just bring here the black unit so you guys can see clearer. This is the black over here, and you also have the white ones. Which one do you guys prefer, the black or the white? But if you want to get one of these for yourself, feel free to check out the links down below. There's again a promo code so you can get it cheaper. But yeah, that's basically it for the Bowie M1 by Baseus. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Stay safe everybody. Bye!